Lovilds.com claims to offer a wide range of makeup products, including lipsticks, cosmetics, eyeshadows, foundations, and more. The website positions itself as a go to destination for beauty enthusiasts looking for the latest in makeup trends and high quality products. One special factor about Lovilds.com is its focus on affordability, aiming to provide high quality cosmetics at competitive prices. This could attract budget conscious consumers who still want to maintain a stylish appearance. At first glance, Lovilds.com may appear legitimate due to its extensive product offerings. However, a deeper investigation raises concerns about its authenticity. Here are some red flags identified from user reviews. 1. Poor website design. The overall design of Lovilds.com lacks professionalism. Elements such as inconsistent fonts, low quality images, and a cluttered layout can give an impression of a hastily put together site, which is often a sign of a less credible business. 2. Limited contact information. Many reviews highlight the lack of clear contact information. A legitimate business typically provides multiple ways to reach customer service, including phone numbers and physical addresses. The absence of this can indicate a lack of accountability. 3. Negative customer reviews. Trustpilot reviews show a significant number of dissatisfied customers. Complaints often revolve around poor product quality and unresponsive customer service, suggesting that the company may not uphold its claims about product standards and customer support. 4. Delayed shipping and delivery issues. Customers have reported significant delays in receiving their orders. Reliable e-commerce sites usually ensure timely delivery, so consistent shipping problems can be a major red flag. In conclusion, while Lovilds.com presents itself as a promising online makeup retailer, the combination of poor website design, limited contact options, negative customer feedback, shipping delays, and suspicious review patterns raises serious questions about its legitimacy. Potential customers should exercise caution and consider these factors before making a purchase.